In our final episode, we challenge the idea that virtual worlds are just practice for the real world. We treat the virtual realm as a primary application area, a place where AI can become truly digital life. The virtual world allows us to do things impossible in reality. We can accelerate time, change physics, and build at a scale that doesn't exist yet. This isn't just a simulation, it's a sovereign domain for the independent development of intelligence. An agent in a virtual world can experience a century of learning in a single week. By removing the constraints of hardware wear and tear and safety risks, we allow the brain to reach levels of complexity that would take decades to achieve in a physical lab. Consider Minecraft. It is the ultimate test of an inductive brain. To survive, the agent must use the POMDP methods we discussed in Episode 2 to manage resources and plan over hours of gameplay. This is pure high-level embodiment. Isaac Lab is an evolutionary cradle. We scale intelligence by evolving thousands of agents simultaneously, developing social behaviors that we eventually export to any physical body. Mastering the virtual makes the real world look easy. An agent that has survived 10,000 impossible virtual scenarios finds physical reality to be a simplified, slower subset of its wisdom. We measure digital intelligence through HAE. We look for agency, the ability for a brain to set its own creative goals and invent solutions, rather than just following human prompts. Level 4 is the stress test. We change physics mid-task. If the agent's internal belief ledger adapts to these impossible shifts, it proves the brain is reasoning from first principles. At the highest levels, we see true synthesis. Level 5 is zero-shot creation. Level 6 is social collaboration between AIs to solve systemic problems within a digital ecosystem. With NVIDIA Cosmos, worlds are infinite. Agents use generative foresight to dream future states, ensuring the brain never stops learning through a cycle of endless discovery. We track the generalization span. A truly wise brain understands the concept of embodiment so deeply that it can navigate any universe, regardless of its specific laws of gravity. Digital twins are active mirrors. Virtual agents act as managers, simulating outcomes to prevent real-world failures. The virtual brain is the leader. The physical robot is the hand. We aim for universal intelligence. Because our POMDP reasoning is textual and internal, the same brain can control a game character, a drone, or a humanoid with equal skill. Our roadmap leads to a continuum. Data from the physical improves the virtual. Wisdom from the virtual empowers the physical. Agents will soon move between these realities effortlessly. Intelligence is the ability to adapt to any embodiment. We have moved from atoms to math to infinite crucibles. The era of the generalist agent is here.